Hi everyone, my name is Miss Alex and today I'm going to show you how to make a origami heart bookmark. Okay, so all you'll need is a square piece of paper. Doesn't matter what size, as long as it's a square. First thing you're going to do is fold it horizontally. Okay, so like this. Unfold it and do the same thing for the other side. Like this. Unfold it and you should have 1, 2 lines. Next thing you're going to do is fold this like a kite. Okay, so I folded that in like a kite and do the same thing for the other side. Okay. There you go. Both of those sides were folded. So we're going to unfold them. Do the same thing for the bottom end. And then do the same thing for the other side. Like a diamond. Unfold it. Okay. Then we are going to fold up each of these little corners. Right? Just fold it up like this. Do the same for the other side. Okay. Now we are going to fold in half. Okay. Unfold. Look like this. Okay, and this is where it gets a little bit tricky. You're going to push the middle in and connect these two folds. Okay, so you'll want to kind of just push it in, push all the folds in. So you'll have this. Already starting to look like a heart. Then you're going to want to go like this, fold this down. So it was folded down like that. Then you can kind of bend these pointy parts down so it looks more like a heart. So I just bended those two down. You can do the same for the side. Right. Now what you're gonna want to do, take these two corners and fold them up. Okay, so there's that one. Just folded it up. There's that one. Right? Now unfold them and fold them with this part up and fold them the other way so that you can't see them. And there's your heart. And then if you want to use it as a bookmark, you would just put this little part over the page that you're saving. But there you go. Not too hard. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this bookmark. And once again, thank you for watching.